Well, hello there, YouTube. Look, I just turned 65,000 miles. I put in for my paid time off in June. I think the last couple weeks of June. We're gonna take off and go on our motorcycle trip. My wife only takes a week off, so she thinks we're only going to be gone like 5, 6, 7 days, and we probably will. But I told her I'm going to come drop her off and then head to the beach by myself for a few days, and she said she'd kill me. But anyway, I will. But it'll be fun. I look forward to our annual trip, a big trip every year. Not going to do anything really exciting this year like we normally do, like Grand Canyon and Zion and Colorado, but we are going to do the head up northeast to stay out of the heat this year, so hopefully we won't hit 109. Anyway, I gotta get gas. Bye. Sorry, had to stop and get gas. Anyway, put in for my PTO, paid time off, and I have to start taking some because I stop accruing, and I've done this before and I never took vacation, so I stopped accruing, so I probably lost several weeks of vacation time just because I never took any. Before I had the bike. Now they got the bike, I always take it. But anyway, I'm almost at the max limit. I'm 20 hours short. Geez, just 2 days short of the max limit, so I have to take some time off, even if I don't need it all. Taking let's see, 2 or 3 days this month to go to Cancun. We've got a wedding, but I have to take some time off because I don't want to stop accruing again, because that's not good. And I don't take a lot of time off because I got so much work to do. There's nobody else that does my job, and it's a extremely time-consuming job. That's why I work 6 days a week. I only take Thursdays off. But in the summer, I'll take the weekends off because school's out in the summer, so there's nothing going on. But anyway, I'm looking forward to our vacation. We're gonna, that's what I was talking about. We're gonna go to head up northeast, kind of. My wife and I are both from Illinois. We moved to Texas when we were kids. Well, we're not kids, but very young. In 1985, I was 25 when we moved here. And my wife was probably 23 when we moved here, so we both packed up and moved here in our early 20s. I graduated from college and was looking around Chicago for a job, couldn't really find anything, and so I ventured down here at a buddy in College Station. So I stayed with them for a little while, and I looked over there for a week, and then I came over to Austin for a week, and I found a job. So I got home, and I didn't really have the job yet, but I felt good about it, so they called me and offered me the job, so I said, all right, I'll be there. So my wife and I packed up our little as possible, rented a little small U-Haul and pulled it behind my little bitty Nissan pickup truck, which was kind of bizarre. My wife followed me. My wife and my mom came down with us. She wanted to check it out because she was happy that we were getting out of Illinois. But anyway, packed up and moved down here and never looked back. And it's been 33 years since we moved away. Now I'm an old man. I was a young 20-something when we moved here. Geez, now my kids were born here. My oldest one's going to be 30. The other one's going to be 27. Golly. time flies. Time really flies. But you know, when I remember when we first moved here, you know, the job I had was awesome. I loved it. I was but anyway, the first couple years we were here, it was like every weekend was like a vacation, like you know, because we got to go explore Texas. So that was really pretty cool. And I still explore Texas on my bike, but I've been everywhere. I've been all over Texas, so. But I still love Texas. I'm not going anywhere. I would actually move. There's a couple places I would go, but I don't know if I would like the cold. I could move to Colorado because I just absolutely love Colorado. It's just beautiful. And I could probably move to Utah. I love Zion, but I don't know if all of Utah is that pretty. But I wouldn't go unless like my kids kind of went first, and I'd follow them, especially when we have grandkids. But they're not going anywhere. They're both here in Texas. I got one up north in the near Dallas, and I got one that's in New Braunfels, and he's still working full-time and about 3 classes short of his master's degree. But anyway, enough of that. Bye.